Today I'm at Honolulu Helicopter Tours. I'm gonna ride. I'm on a 1 hour I have a appointment flight for a 1 hour flight on a helicopter around the island of Oahu. Now, I've ridden on a helicopter before, right? But they're usually like big, chunky helicopters that I've ridden in, right? Kind of scary, but they're all right because, you know, they're big and robust, and I feel like they can handle themselves, right? But from what I've seen, these helicopters are tiny. Not to say that they're not good. I'm sure they're completely safe. They're completely nice and good helicopters. But I am nervous right now. I am ridiculously nervous. More nervous than I've ever been to ride on a helicopter. I don't know why, because it's a helicopter. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. So yeah. Thankfully, I'm here with other people. It's not just me riding the helicopter. It's me, and I'm part of like a group tour. So there's other people riding the helicopter with me at 4. So it shouldn't be that bad. So
It's okay. He's the second best. We're flying around 120 miles an hour. That's what you're going to feel, or what your arm is going to feel if you put it out there.
Okay.
And it's just so you know, it can hurt on your shoulder if you put it out there. Just try to keep everything in. Comes off. After you buckle yourself and he told you you're going to need the life vest, just pull down this orange tab and pull it all the way over your head. This already looks like
does start to feel sick during the trip, just let me know. I got some Aloha bags up front.
Okay.
Hopefully we don't need them, but we got them if we do.
Okay.
Controls right here.
okay.
Down here as well is also another set of controls.
Cool. Thank you.
And we just don't want to stick that far outside. We don't want to stick that outside of the helicopter.
All right.
Perfect. Just like that. You got it. All right, everyone can throw their headsets on.
experience. Truly a great experience. I mean, I've been on helicopters before. I've flown in helicopters before. But this is just amazing. If you have the money, and if you're on Hawaii, you got the money, and you want to go see Hawaii, or at least Oahu, from a unique perspective, you need to get on this helicopter flight, because this was amazing.